On the outskirts of Joliet, Illinois, hidden behind dense brush and twisted gravel roads, lies the skeletal remains of a once mighty machine, a place forgotten by time, but not untouched by it. This is the Joliet Rock Crusher, an industrial graveyard that dates back over a century. Once a vital piece of the region's limestone operations, it now stands as a crumbling relic of America's industrial past. The site used to process limestone and was a part of a larger network of quarries and industrial infrastructure around the area. The Joliet Rock Crusher played a role in the city's nickname, the City of Stone. The rocks were used to build the various locks, bridges, and aqueducts of the I&M Canal. It was also used to build the nearby Old Joliet Prison. This site was likely a part of the Joliet Iron and Steel Works, which has since been abandoned. Over time, it was shut down and left to the elements. Now, nature's taken over. Trees are growing through the floors and graffiti covers almost every surface of the crusher. In this video, we're going to take a look around, see what's still standing, and try to get a feel for what this place used to be. Join us as we step inside to see what's still standing and try to get a feel for what this place used to be. Nah, this is crazy. Yeah, this is a quarry. I would not get any closer to that. You fall in, bro, you're gone. How you feeling, Elliot? No. Need to wait for the rain to stop here. But no, this is our first checkpoint here. Holy shit. There's just a bunch of tires here. I mean, here's our entry point.
This thing is crazy.
Yeah.
20-inch. The crusher is still here. This is the crusher. It says crusher.
Yeah. No, that checks out actually. Okay, that's all good. Only way is up. Holy shit. Yeah, it gets more janky the further up you go. Oh. Oh, brother. This is the top of it up here.
Well, the actual machine.
Yeah.
This would have been the top, and the rocks would have gone in there.
Rocks there. That is crazy.
And they would have come in off this chute up here.
Right. Right. Oh, this is awesome. I like the rain. I'm not complaining about it, actually. This is very sketchy, I can't lie. Oh, shit. Oh no, they fell off. Yeah.
They removed, or they fell off. They removed all the treads.
There's a little lift here. They're like the remnants of the lift. Ooh, what's this?
Some sort of electrical equipment here.
Yeah, because there's this up here.
Transformer up
Oh,
there.
this is what you were saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Ceramic or something.
Yeah, fiberglass maybe.
Maybe it was to keep logs.
God, dude. I don't think you want to do this. I don't like that.
Still solid at the top. Oh, but it's being supported off this tank that's like that.
Right. Like it's very wobbly.
We're up. Look at this, it's a random stair
Oh yeah.
grown into a tree.
Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah, this is
It's hard to tell. That's a drone.
That does sound like FPV. It is. That sounds exactly like a drone. Wait. Are there FPV buddies here? No, that's the train.
Yeah, the train's moving now. That might have been the
It
train.
might have been, honestly. Well, here's our way to the next place. These stairs are like...
It's gonna be
Bro.
sketchy. Can you lift it up more? Maybe they like
Oh,
put.
you have to crawl through that. Like, I'm talking crawl. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this.
That is a small entrance. It says some cave diving stuff right here.
I'm not walking anywhere. Oh my God.
Does that go straight down?
Straight down.
So this goes straight down?
Yes.
Well, there's a chute.
Okay, I think I'm ready to go.
that goes down. I'm not walking over there.
Currently, there are no future plans for this site. Eventually, nature will reclaim this site as it rusts and crumbles apart. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you on the next one.